Hello everyone, good morning. And before I start my video guys, I would like to greet everyone. Uh, Advance Merry Christmas to all. Advance Merry Christmas to all of my beloved subscribers, my followers, viewers, friends, etc. So just wanna say thank you for everything, for all the time that you spend watching my videos guys. God bless everyone. Merry Christmas. So guys, this is the update of my tomato. Look at them guys, very productive. See, that's one plant. Grabe guys. So look at them. I am so glad there is no end blossom. So sooner I'm gonna be busy picking up the tomato here. So actually guys, they are not all grow. So out of uh, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 out of 13 pots guys, big pots as you can see here, only 2 4 6 6 grow. So the rest did not survive. So ito lang po yung nag-survive guys, 6 po. So half nawala. So happy naman po ako guys na even if half nawala, pero meron din pong na-productive So healthy nga siya I am just wondering you know guys, our tomato here, it is 7 foot guys. This might be 7 foot. Very tall. So what I did is I just put a metal stick there so they can stand it. They won't broke. So very healthy really guys. And look at my sige pa alugbati guys grabe. Taba po. Yan. Grabe yung guys, alugbati ko. Very healthy. So, punta po tayo dito sa kabila guys. May saluyot po after a lot of rain guys. Bushes na po siya. So, even my lemongrass then my little landscape there, very bushes, very healthy. So takes me a while to take a video here because I am taking care of Philip his allergy reaction of the medication that the first day we went to the doctor is bad because of the medication that he take. So get worse the allergy. So we went to to the city and look for the dermatology, and we found it there. Only a rare doctor here in Bohol, a derma doctor. So I am so glad that we found it, but that is not really a cheap doctor. So anyway, we finished check up. and then we're gonna have a follow-up checkup by next week. So Philip taking different medication. He takes clindamycin and loratadine. That's only two medication that he's taking, and then for his allergy cream. So that's it, guys. That is why I'm so busy. I don't have time to take a video for you. So anyway, I'm here now and I'm back. So I am so glad, really, guys. Happy kayo ko sa akong tomato, oh. Actually, time here is 7 o'clock in the morning, guys. And ayan po. So, punta po tayo sa likuran, guys. May ipapakita po ako sa inyo. Yung tomato din po. So, ito po, guys, oh. May tomato ako dito. Pero, ano naman siya. 3 lang po ito, guys. May bunga naman siya, guys. Oh, yan. Fresh tingnan. So, ito din po, oh. So, pareho lang po sila, guys. Kabats lang po ito. Tapos, iniwan. I leave this one here because I cannot carry anymore. The pots is so big. So, there are 3 only here. So, yan lang po, guys. Update ng tomato ko, guys, sa garden. So, we are so blessed that we can still grow vegetables here. Especially tomato. This tomato really here when you grow very sige, lisod. Difficult to grow tomato here. And I already plant twice seedlings but did not germinate. So I keep on planting seedlings. So now I don't have any more another batch because I don't understand. So I'll just keep on trying planting tomato, guys, till it will survive, it will germinate. So mahal naman po yung seedlings, yung seeds, guys. Ano na po, 60 pesos. So sayang naman po yun. Okay lang pag 10 pesos mahal. So yan po, guys. Kaya mahirap talaga pag tumubo na yung seedling, tapos mag-grow na po yung yung tomato. Hindi naman po mag-produce ng ng tomato. So I am really so glad that we have few tomato here. Nakakatuwa, guys. So sooner this one will be ready to pick. Miss ko na po yung fresh na tomato. So bye everyone, thanks for watching, guys, and it is December 24 here and Christmas is fast approaching, guys. So bye, God bless everyone, and again, Merry Christmas to all.